Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set online status in on Google Chat in PC. Okay, so for example, if you go to your Google Chat, then if you see that it's away, it means other people will see you that your status is away though you are in online. So now how can you fix this? So simply click on that and you can see automatic. So once you click them, then it's active now. So it depends, it's you can see based on chat activity. So if you leave this thing, then the other people will see that you are away. If you come here again, then other people will see you that you are active. So this way you can set your activity. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more and thank you for watching.